Never
Protect
push
your face.
the stick into the lighting hole while lighting the product. Don't light up the candle with flame. Don't use it
You guys,
in a state of wind.
Right.
Don't light it when you're drunk. And please put the flame out.
Too late. Too late. Yeah. Ooh, that's some flame.
Wow.
Is that how it's supposed to be?
No, it's
don't
going to
think so.
open up.
It's going to open up and sing.
was she supposed to put it in the middle,
I don't.
or wasn't it
That
supposed
doesn't look right.
No, it doesn't.
I did it wrong.
Yeah, it really
to?
doesn't.
Wait, did we
That's
miss a
not right.
direction?
It's supposed to
No,
open.
no, it's
No, I
supposed to
think
do
It's
a nice.
melting!
Take out the stick
It's
from
the
the
thing in the
bottom.
middle that's supposed to. Yeah.
Touch
Right.
gently the red dot. Did you touch the red dot?
No.
Nobody said it.
There you go. There
That's why you're supposed to be at least 50 centimeters away. Wow, that's pretty cool.
you go. Let me touch the red dot again. See
That
what else
is
happens.
pretty cool. No,
I think it did it.
I think if we had done it earlier, the other ones would have
Yeah.
opened on their own.
And so
Oh, that one had.
That was really neat.
it's supposed to sing?
That was
It's
cool.
supposed to sing, yeah.
Isn't it singing?
That was cool.
Happy birthday!
I can't pour it. if
We're
we
happy
do
it's
that.
not singing.
It is kind of a tinny little sound.
Yay!
Okay, maybe if I push the other pedals down, it will sing.
I think we get the idea.
Yeah.
Maybe this one.
And then you're supposed to rescue the charming craft in the middle.
The prince? The
It
craft?
is the charming
That's
craft
what
in the
it
middle.
said. We didn't rescue ours.
Oh, yeah.
We did it from
There
one.
you go. All right.
We've done this before.
Well, that's very festive.
It's
Very
lovely. It's
festive.
really great. And actually, I must say, I probably prefer it without the music.
Yeah. If you heard the music, you would definitely prefer it without it. Exactly.
Right, like those horrible
And it never
e-cards.
ends, right?
Never ends until you clip the
No,
wire.
I like it this way.
Yeah.
That's excellent. Did you get that in Chicago?
No, we got it
Here?
online or something. Where'd you get
Online.
I
yours?
got mine on Amazon.
Maybe that's
And it
where I
came
got
from China.
China.
Yeah, yeah. It took like 3 weeks or something, you know.
Wow.
It's
You
an
know,
amazing thing.
in Germany, they don't have the stuff from China.
Really?
Really?
Yeah,
They don't have a trade deal with them?
I guess not. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff that, like, the El Cheapo Deluxe stuff we can get here, they just can't get there.
Oh. So you have to buy the well-made German stuff?
Which is really,
That's one way to